Chia seed is good for weight loss, but never ever eat it like this or you can die. If you are on your weight loss journey, you must have heard that chia seeds are good for weight loss because of its high fiber content. Besides its high fiber content, chia seed also has many nutritional benefits. So before we talk about some of these ways you should not take chia seeds, let's highlight its benefits. It has anti-inflammatory properties. When your body detects a foreign invader, it responds with inflammation. Certain factors, such as processed foods, can contribute to chronic inflammation, which can lead to cancer, heart disease, and other serious illnesses. Cathaic acid, which is found in chia seeds, also aids in the treatment of chronic inflammation. It also contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Chia seeds provide numerous nutritional benefits. Chia seeds contain calories, fat, carbohydrates, and alpha-linen. Protein, malic acid, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, thiamine, and niacin. A tablespoon of chia seeds can provide the nutritional requirements an individual needs to get through the day. Liking our video so far? Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on more informative videos like this one. Chia seeds have a high fiber content. You can get up to 10 grams of fiber per serving, which is between 29% and 45% of the daily recommended dose. Fiber-rich diets are great for keeping your digestive system healthy, improving heart health, and lowering cholesterol levels. It will keep your cholesterol under control. Some studies have looked into how chia seed consumption affects cholesterol and triglyceride levels. According to a 2021 study, chia seeds increased high-density lipoprotein HDL cholesterol, also known as good cholesterol. This may aid in lipid balance and improve cardiovascular health. Chia seeds could aid in weight loss. This is primarily due to the high fiber content. Numerous studies have shown that eating chia seeds can help you lose weight quickly. Including chia seeds in your diet will help you feel fuller for longer and will keep you from snacking on unhealthy foods throughout the day. So chia seeds are the only meal add-on you'll ever need. The high fiber content will keep your blood sugar levels in check even after a big meal. Taking chia seeds will strengthen your bones. They are high in phosphorus and magnesium, both of which are essential for bone health. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains 18% of the daily calcium requirement, promoting healthy bones and nerves. In fact, chia seeds contain more calcium than regular dairy products. It is also beneficial to your heart. Chia seeds contain quercetin, an antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of developing heart disease and other heart conditions. Chia seeds are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are heart-healthy fats. Chia seeds has a high copper content, which is necessary for good heart health. Having known some of the benefits that chia seed has, never eat chia seeds in the following ways or you can die. I am not saying that eating chia seeds is not good, so continue enjoying them and you can click the link in the description to shop. Do not eat chia seeds in these ways. Number 1. Chia seeds should never be eaten raw. The seeds, which can absorb up to 27 times their weight in water, appear to expand after being consumed and can completely block the esophagus. That is why chia seeds should never be eaten dry. Chia seeds should be soaked in water or other liquid before eating to allow them to fully expand. Number 2. When taking diabetes medication, avoid eating chia seeds. While chia seeds may help regulate your glucose levels, they may also overstimulate blood sugar controlling drugs. If you have diabetes, make sure to seek professional advice before eating chia seeds. Number 3. Never take chia seeds with blood thinners or if you already have low blood pressure. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can cause your blood to thin. They can also cause your blood pressure to drop significantly if you already have that problem. If you already have low blood pressure or are on prescribed blood thinners, proceed with caution and consult your doctor. Number 4. Consume chia seeds in moderation. Although chia seeds are high in nutrients, they should be consumed in moderation because too much of them can cause side effects. Excessive chia seed consumption can result in abdominal pain, constipation, diarrhea, bloating, and gas. You should not consume more than 3 tablespoons of chia seeds per day. Even as you try to maintain a healthy weight, Be careful of the things you ingest, especially if you have a pre-existing health condition, and always consult your physician when you are not sure because good health is something we cannot buy. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.